Stampers, I am going to do a little video on my redesigned craft room. I'm doing it today because I had a meet up with some new stampers on Thursday evening, so I had to tidy up because they were going to want to come and see, you know, where I do all my crafting. So I'm going to start. So we're walking in here into my craft room, and I want to first of all highlight my table. This table is if I go stand by, oh, you can't tell by that, but it is a standing height table. All the pieces are from IKEA. I put it together in about an hour, and I'm going to have details. I'm going to have a printout on that. It's actually a, let me come down a little bit. I think you can see, well, maybe I should have moved my stool out the way. It's actually a bookcase on its side, and then it's a kitchen tabletop that is screwed to the bookcase, and then the just adjustable legs on the top. So I have a stool there, so if I want to sit down I can, but most of the time I tend to, you know, stand up on there. So coming in, this is my dresser with all my stamps. I have these little baskets in here that I've got accessories and rhinestones, cards ready to go. I guess I should come around here and open it up. I have my folders, embossing folders and framelits, punches, a zillion blocks. And let me show you up here. I tend to store my, if I have, you know, framelits that are designed to go with a particular stamp set, then I actually put them, I keep them together, just, you know, plastic band to keep those together so I can grab those at the same time. Now I'm going to turn around here. This is, oh, I need to go way back, but this is a closet. You can see that I have, again, more organization. These 12 by 12 boxes, you know, they're craft boxes, and I keep projects for project ideas, supplies for next month's club, classes, team meetings. You know, I think one of the key things to keeping organized is a label maker. You've got to get one of those label makers, and then just more stuff, more card samples, binders with ideas, club details, one of my 3 big shots, envelopes ready to go. These are my ink refills, so this will, they just get thrown in here with the different ribbons. Memories and more, love my memories and more. Just some more crafting stuff on top. I'm sorry if I'm going too fast, I'm trying not to be too. So here's my desk. So my desk kind of backs up onto my craft space. Again, this is not how my desk usually looks. This is, I actually swept most of it off and into the drawers so it would look nice and tidy for you. And then this is, again, if you have room to put one of these, this is just a magnetic board. I got it off of Amazon. It's huge. It's, I don't know how big it is. It's as big as the desk. I mean, it's probably 5 foot by 4 foot. But it's just magnetic. So I pin, like, all those post-its are usually ideas that come to me. So I just write it down, ideas for blog posts or classes. Or you can see I've got some card samples up there that I'm working on. Reminders of things I'm going to post about. And then I have my printer here with more stuff down here with things, and then coming around here. So at the moment I keep all my ink pads and markers in one of these color caddies, and then this is where I have all my cardstock. Oh, let's pull the drawer out. So I have, I like to file mine alphabetically. I mean, I know everybody has their own way of doing it. Some people store it in color families. I just find it easier if I haven't got to think what color family it's in. It's just easier if I know it's crumb cake, that's a C, that's going to be you know, at the beginning. So and then my white vanilla cardstock comes down here because that's my kind of go-to. So, but anyway, I just wanted to share my craft room with you. I should probably do another video in like 3 days once it's back to normal, so you can see the difference on what it's like when it's really working. But hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or if you have any questions on, you know, on how I organize, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can contact me through my email or leave me a message on my blog. And thanks. Have a great Saturday. Bye.